delight, Sompa delight. Abena Ruthy, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Abena Ruthy, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Any gin como. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. I just feel a warm. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Abena Ruthy, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Any gin como. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. I just feel warm. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Abena Ruthy, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Any gin como. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. I just feel warm. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Abena Ruthy, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Any gin como. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. I just feel warm. Sompa delight, Sompa delight. Abena Ruthy, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa FM, 106.5. Sompa Sompa
Look tantalizer.
Yes, I am.
Hey, alarm shake. Alarm shake. Alarm shake. Alarm shake. Alarm shake.
Yes.
Oh, sweetheart, why are they? Mini bro.
Oh,
mini.
I mean, I want cover.
I know, right?
I want cover. So I have to be there for you.
Who send your line in corner? Who says sister was breading your manka? So say Abena Ruthy. Oh, auntie, thank you.
What I said,
thank you.
Pressure.
Thank you. No pressure. No fire washing pad. That's you. No.
Hey, easy. Ubi you are Ghana. Hey, easy. Stress. But I mean, we thank God.
Yeah.
It's a nice experience.
You're doing well, eh? You're doing well. Saying I will push, you're amazing. Yeah. You're doing well. You're doing
so Bible say, "Adebia will service no say for
do it with all your might."
And that is empress. And I believe in Obia Bibia all stars. I don't despise it because you wouldn't know. A week, years to come, you may need that person.
That's right.
And it just, even if 5 minutes for that person, it's beautiful. Or be kind. Time I hear some party like daughter.
Thank you.
But this program will go by. Amen. With you. When you said you're convincing it, Macra, Obeba. Not choice, but the good relationship. No. And I'm hoping say, like we Becca and Yama Bibra.
Alright, so communication.
Okay. Hello. Hi.
You are so beautiful.
And you are too. And then this is our empress. Empress of my show.
Akofa Toko is in the building. Hans TV, telenovela chats, posting on and of course, Abu Hassan. No go pressure. Now Kasa Empress.
Na me Kasa. But only Mami Kawi. Me ba gratitude program.
Yes, ma'am.
Anna Empress performing.
Yeah.
Minim dear, but she has such a sweet spirit. Who say sometimes, Obi, who say, Obi, nipa be huna bonti, but our kuma papa.
I tell you.
Yes, our kuma. Me share, na odonya menso. Aha, odonya menso. And sometimes one gets to know people. I want to bet it in some people, but to bear out me say, oh, you're very soft.
She's such a sweet
yes,
lady,
and wakuma papa so super. It's empress Nyamin Shroud.
Sometimes.
Meanwhile, the media said that be man Nyamia. And no dear, wash me so much.
I hear you anymore. Na me debe mano if we say why di kesi bia mamia me debe wa mentiasia o nyamie wasidenyo nyaye bu meswa tananta
Oh, amazing.
Why am I judging once a day? Maka, so was it muscle to be muscle.
Lyrics. And now, but you tune if you hear like Kabichi.
Oh, so when you are talking about musicians, I have a music background. I have degrees in music. Now, you can't jump to a. And when we are looking at composition in Ghana, I would say I'm one of the tops. When it comes to writing and I've done a lot of songs for people that I don't want to mention names, but at the end of the day, no. Nyamene ya dana say.
Yes, so.
And me mawa me family didn't take you, so you know already.
I know.
So that is it. I've done for a lot of top list A artists, and I thank God for that.
Yeah.
Now, Sompa Ebano. Looking at my background in radio, I told myself that I'm going to make sure this program becomes a top in Ghana. And I know, sir, it will become one of the tops in Ghana.
Amen.
Because with my background in radio for the past years, I've done radio with Kwabena Aidan. By then he was Eko Poncho. And Koba Jesse Collins.
Go to the general day, as if we have on one share, Swadoko. Some come to a bravo so. There's a bonny in town, no how men to my die, or pin beto, benkum, or piggy beto, nifa, a big town what it. Would you when you and I never said no one going for Katia, a radian muti and torso, a radisha and torso, a radiabaso bo, and you are put a radino chem, a radino catabo, a radino tipeja for, a radino tension for, a radino register for pa, and maybe I was radin fantomo, was me woman. Aradima on Srewati, Aradima wa dansidie, Aradima nipa hunu so no na aboa mo acheche ore. O Kristo Yesu dimo, and ya bompae. Amen. Injeni chawa desira, nana mu aya hakakra. Azesya biara yetu, biara yobi. What's up, man? Busy one mommy and cry. Yamina Rana Omobi. Although I mention me, the book of the tree, and one pie of the best of me. The back of the holy large channel is in the beast as a bundle. Look at the oh, yes, sweat. We remember would chant. Oh, my tea, you go to me.
Tuminyina kurano nananu ya ye kaini wusori no wedi sunkunimo wedi owo sunkunim wedi wuha ni sunkunim wedi wukwadana ni sunkunim eninti wutri na wutri obotentim no kasa obintu min kabio mema good afternoon me pacha na wumpom to say French from Rebecca says Sava. Oh, na Spanish kakra me kai no si como estas. Oh, finete oyote. Miraculeke fonama. Me pacha ohutideng. Oh, we thank God for yet another week. It's a brand new week and God will be good to us. Yenyankro pono oni ehwamada. Siadi ehutu neswa. Oh, inkunim die beye yedia. Mema wakwaba pa eba Sompa delight. Sa why your rehearsal kakra to me about Sompa delight. Ampa yesu do emuye du papa. Eno na ama mete ha mani mo yesu di enkwano. Mr. Bomodi ko Facebook na ko hwe. YouTube so on sabe kanye. Media sida Emma Mabua for Lexter Company Limited. Toya's toothpaste and a yar's toothbrush. Na for shoes na important shiny. Na yes a stretch ya homa. I mean shami ame boss. Sister Akosia Ago Abuachi communication. If I auntie Ako baby I will be a michawati. Say baby I am fine. Me team na you poised. Me cha a jumera. Any obibia I was Sompa. If a weekend ne call Simon, we call Simon. Ebia now do dofo bi ko share from Erade Ncheche wo re. Ebi so na won sa to bi so nti we wedding. Erade nhira so ma. Ebia na we outdooring. Wo de na ma ya. Nyabutre. Because oda Erade ewo ma yen no esin bibia. Nyankopon nye mistake o. Onye bone. Time on Nanson yenti nyabutre. So nim se midiane Abena Ruthy na midi Sompa delight ho chiame. Eh, this last Friday enye easy wo fie ha o. High school ade no na me ko fie nya na meka is that pon clear? Ain't coming Friday better. So now this week, we've got a lot of stuff for you. And abeja for bet nasty. Now him say ochina so etiquettes better. So we kai last week Tuesday etiquettes no. She I was say what it tin no. Now we run ni pe mo na so we ra bedwe mo. One kasa we feeling good of yourself. Na Sompa delight there you bet church wo near ma. Your best social entertainment program in the city. Wonya wa baby I just Sompa 106.5 FM. Enti me ma wakwaba shonko kra. Many Esther do you see bibi Erade yona enye no yona crying tinya reshe mu se obejama o atoye enough eya se abrabo ne di na adane enti nya abotre be dane papa ma o so would you do so when you know asam kakrebi Abraham ni Sarah oninia na ni da swasa so bakro baby ni nyame shani ho eni monya tie minim se wo hauni wo mani e nyame ni so adiketie minim se wo so wa se e chakra wo basile
Jenkrani usi, Jenkrani wamani hui, Jenkrani uhai, Jenkrani waboboje, Bibi nyame, Yanana, mi bisao, Bibi papa no Yanana, Ojidini, mi bisao, Epoye, Unami uho, Atoye, Etifi,
Ai baby a wo be fa bia onyame wo ho wo dem ho no owo ho enti ene ne nkasa asane so pue owo ho ba bia toye owo ho enti no nyare hwemu se oka wo ho onya o da biara da make us a woka hallelujah baby I want me dia higher sorry fie me producer that's oh d for
so mami ba ko pe mi nyambo
Onapo.
Minyate voice pen ma start isre. Kese elije nkwa. Minyao kra.
Tell them Sompa delight amenko.
Sompa.
Ade.
Delight. You are a cash.
Obinya.
Sompa.
Obia ne hu lady.
Delight.
Obia ne hu lady into Simbo.
Another level. French first écouter répéter. Et listen and repeat. Sompa delights.
Part repeat.
Sompa delights.
But rehearsals they pay off.
They pay
off. Really. Aye, sister. Odi o try kakra.
In the middle of the conversation.
Sompa delight. Charlie, why hit the frequency?
Thank you.
I just saw your producer one.
International.
And then me rehearsal.
Me pacha baba day. Enti me mama kwaba ewie erade ne ye dini ye ya sa be hie mu biom weekend no me gidi say ko kama.
Nyame adom.
Bia radiasi. Ai enti semonim say ye gie adwade a na wo say yetumi de vocabs corner ne hye ho na afi yakodi ko konsa kakra ne no ye wo a guest bi obefa studio ni mansa na abedwafo abetena se na ye bobo ye topic for today enti no yanko word nim na ene no the word I brought me see bi a mema bonus bi so eno nya word explanation bi a menim say ya tie sa mistake no enti me de beto ho enti get ready.
We are ready.
So the word for today is stymied. Stymied. S-T.
Mabio.
Oh, what's spelling? Mr. Maninko?
A prediction.
Me pacha Maninko.
Okay.
But spell first because Mary.
Stymied. S-T-Y-M-I-E-D, right?
Correct.
No.
S-T-Y-M-I-E-D.
Or
say it means to be hindered.
Okay.
Blocked or thwarted.
Okay.
Leaving someone unable to make progress or complete a task.
Okay. So for example, my quest to get here at 1 p.m. was stymied by an assignment I had to do before coming.
Okay.
So what I say, until then, obi ati ase. Until be block you. Usually, you use that common one. You use a stifle. And not hindered. Hindered, they're very common.
Now him. Twatted. Because baby, me got it twatted. The way I can no. A prayer meeting. Hey, I went in by 4 or 5. What must you? Made the plans of the enemy be thwarted. I feel me see. There's one you see someone else when you are brave. And you are paying about me. That's the word for today. Stymied. Use it.
Thank you.
Now vocabulary and sentences can then different. And one thing yet to hammer. You can only get this on Sompa. Delight. So that's the word for today. Stymied. Now this is a bonus I wanted. I am here.
Your friend is saying, example I see the investigation has been stymied by witnesses who refuse to cooperate.
Exactly.
Nice.
Stymied. Stymied.
We were stymied by the absence of any recent documents.
Aha.
The rain stymied our picnic. Sorry.
Okay.
The rain stymied.
Just a picnic. Wow. Stymied. So this is the bonus I wanted to give. Now, usually I had not yet call banker. Yeah, call this kana severe 10 cities. 100 now, yeah, now we're putting it together. The rapper, a rapping. Yeah, friend. Okay, mommy Musamo. Mommy come myself. Okay. I usually in coffee friend a bundle.
Yeah.
In coffee friend, but a packet.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in your balance, no. In the bank, him say a packet. Now multiples of that and a bundle.
Okay, multiples of the packets, no.
And a bundle. Ain't no say ura bank na say uko yi scanabia we 500 Ghana. Na ya amount 10 5 na ya rapia ya shrink rapia and then a bundle.
Yeah.
But uko yi 100 Ghana na 10 cedis no ya bono ya the wrapper baako. I mean like sa paper white no achiche baako pair and no a crown a packet.
Okay.
A packet. Into the who difference. But you know a bundle. But me person who difference so that who be dance. Who you sued now be dance. Aha.
So yam wait for Accra. Yan clarify it say paper white no enhye ho a.
Oh, any dey do packet. Say do sa to the level na ye de ka say sika say na there be do ye say na notes sa ukra. Nti for instance say 10 cedis notes na say am baako 50 na ye de share envelope na ye de rubber band achiche ho there be no na packet endu ye endu ye
any bundle
and any bundle and no notes just na ukra
okay so
but who said the whole ye 0 to 100 and na ye full no into the side no say paper white ni share ho na no ye packet na ukra
okay
aha and no ni be 5 and ye ni na 5 na ye no in any denomination into the no 5 na be ma 500 no and no and a bundle. Aha, but baako pe flat one na ukra no a packet but do na kawa bontin oh fesika bondre bra na che so person ka say koyi sa packet ne bra na e bia obe spray na bibi nti me kana we hu difference no
it's from pajamati na
it's clack it it's we no you know who see asanyama na wo dia ball life you know na wo dia share difference kakra
uko use anase uko chire mo baby na you use baby correctly a na say bank abitua we obe pacha na bank ben na so no Sompa bank
exactly I know
Sompa the light bank
Sompa the light bank and that's the vocabularies vocab session for today vocab corner word ne stymied so BBC will coin stymied aha and you can about packets 90 medamase
great
make a concourse here na it's no stories better or na ye fa no na
I need the say me time no what you have
oh ko say to be my back one na yetumi afre wo be my two okay
three there but two related into make bom
okay
na the first one menye we na sama ye die mu ode no
aha
so okay, so there's an astronaut called Victor Glover. Now Victor Glover echo space. Or deep into space.
Okay.
Now occur no be revelations that would be a far said the asasity.
Okay.
Said the reality.
Okay.
I mean Earth as a planet. And according to him, no, it's so amazing.
Wow.
Say or say enwa mana gie di say onyame bi wo ho
okay
because okwe wo hu se earth na yete so no eye ade round bit se kosua
wow
ena bibia holding earth no
my god
there's nothing holding it even if say eye say theater you cannot even see where baby ade ne koto that's very deep
yeah
now also we hu say we as ne nyina ye baako emfa ho tribe color, skin, language, anything. It's brony or bibinio. Why ye nyina ye nipa baako. Sana onu hu ni say humanity. It's high time I be say humanity one and found one baby a free sika one ye na ye back because we are at one place ain't me Ghana obi to US obi to UK
okay
but we share we ne so ye na we are at one place we are at one place into ye unity enye juma ye man kabom odo odo in particular because we share all baby our corner there's no survival anywhere aside earth
yeah
it's not me bisa say if there's no survival anywhere other planets no Mars no money Pluto no then no ye ho
ain't na way
yes
ain't na
what is happening there what is happening Jupiter ho what is happening at Mercury yes what is happening there ain't nyankopon die ni hu ye na body ho a won ti ase kra
easy
say e bi ade ye fa na sesenka ti say egg po ne hangi ho a say ade ye hangi ho de etimete to e ma ida say e be pai ana e be bo ana e be scatter but we know even if the thing falls you cannot say aha na de na ati ato no eko
wow
nyame nsa no adwuma nko na ubetimi ehu no
exactly
with the human logic
to me for watching susu to me for watching susu
I mean when I heard it I was like oh wow this is
you are amazed.
Even though say by that time no na Easter ni mu adi but afei na nkrofo abehu video no trying to see what happened or so enu ti ni yedi Easter no say do Easter yenkai say de Yesu be ye humanity and obey my humanity so ye one
bako ntim pipe mu bia e wo ho bia emwa yenene ya adwene
yes so that's from astronaut Victor Globe
okay
me two stories now me say me ka bom last week I hire na etina ye and I di efu asantoa Singaton fame lady no eni ni kunu Mr. Dio no me di wo ho komo efa oma wari a da social media na amanfo twe ne setai na enne ye da sorry ya na headlines be make waves and obviously no nikunu ne grantee interview over the weekend na odi atu justice see ade obetimi aka edi ni sesi ne bo se one na yire no
they resolve aseminim se ho na wo ba chef our say who third person who third person I see
they've resolved their differences
they say what they done say
no best stress say see ano omo hia back and forth bia from social media and now we are to way now we are can way if you and to us say they don't need it if they will need anything they need the prayers of Ghanaians so they be o ma worry no e betimi etintim and am say ye nkan bibia o yet ye baby gin ye ho and am kofa mu issue baye and let's
there was akoko sa fa Jerry will be cow say na wa sresre wo ho no
ye be stress issues be say no yemfa lessons lessons and you obia na fine forgiveness ne wo ho ne ade but etoda
we are na ntimi amba together be
dignity and nkofo bi kra e bi obi ho no kra wo hwewa o say papa yi branty ababa we o woni die bi ma o say when you obi anadwene ye so mature do beka say oh this things happen tin and no end degrade ni pa value
now well
kra o standard
now well lose that's true
yes sure say and obi asemba so ya yensusu nka yensusu emba bonti because sister yi asem no kra by 1 week pe 1 week
omo twi mu nyina
it is imagine senka we nka obi anti ama social media ya antehwe na omo fa atwe no mo resolve wo mu shiwa anka obi akwa nim say first and 20 ni kunya problem
but na ya kan no
kan ena enne yes sisi a wo ma bomi na e first aware issue ya ho ena Apostle Lillian Ayikwe I hope I've gotten the Tana and Omobono Ayikwe ana
Ayikwe ni Ayikwe
okay soft mame
okay
enra oprichi na in fact she is one of the women of God Emma sofo etoda na se bebre na mehu no they are not omo voice no who say be me preach no be preach ya who difference
okay
but this woman when she's preaching there's a power behind it
okay
I don't know about others, but me no for some time now, and I really love ni preaching, ni teaching, ni pa. Or see our best say warrior. Don't leave your dreams.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can still be married.
Okay.
Say school na person okwa obetimi akọ. Business be na person ya obetimi aye. Be na person ya obetimi aye. Just find a balance. Remember one area be safa enja the other.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it is school, oh yeah wade juma so wo ye umba na ema na wo mu a wo hwe wo ma. But to say obema one venture because or say our enye career. Enye career. Enti wo komu no enka say oh me worry ye die me ni adaje kra me di ku school ana me di ye adwuma na oh nkwala
eso de bia
yeka we know that there are some cases that are special you know untimi nya ho hwe but in as much kakra bia obetimi aye no just do it enka say wa worry nti what to school na to baby say wo degree na wo de kwa worry na wo pese wo ye wo masters na worry ne beto wa o worry we akone koye masters no
okay
go and do it
futupa
enti
futupa na sorry ne
oh the church is at Wija Quiness Apostles BBB.
Okay.
Let me find it.
Okay.
Let me find it.
Enti ye the betuja because I asked them papa na so for my menanka no.
Yen famu abana and uncofo me say uncofo so ombe ba hye maame no.
Anyway, en common na ye so and then also make us our time no me fa bi.
What my time Disciples of Christ Ministries.
Okay.
Disciples of Christ Ministries.
Okay. Okay. Yo, yeda na se. Yeda wo so ase pa.
Ajuaka yi.
Efiasa nso ase.
Ena ka ba ko pa na me ka to so. Me hu omo bo mu me hu comment go Facebook na. Me hu ya na me sere say Ghana for. Ave e ba me scroll sa be ko comment. Obi say, "Eh, ko fa me sense from."
Mama common na ye kra
go so I wouldn't say I don't know how I go.
Bad reasons. Because some person mo drag ya, some person
so internet on Sompa Delight I think say from as assembly started ya started kan say unya fame yensua enye bibia na ye de to abonten na nipa da sani ankasa no say bibi hye wutrim na say free wutrim a nye hunu say enye secret bi enti ne say wonnim say wo pesa wo guard bidia mane nhye ho
sa
mane nhye ho
yeah
because when you release ya e che say obi to me fa
now the ochina me the feel like because sa maninka wutrim e fa meto abonten no I saw one of a lovely couple to be when yana it was all over social media and then media me hu ye me
anyway so etie for enne well gentleman be was studio ha in fact social media me wa me share ya hit me madam say now say oh come here on Monday I mean some party light there yeah dedicate say yeah the be push talents I no so can ye ne ho enti ye ma wakwa aba
yeah mommy
o see ya mommy enti body metie fontie ni ye
me doing the Black Eyes and me upcoming musician he's so nyankopon adoma
kasa hodin
once again me doing Black Eyes and then I am stage name
okay
but me doing kasa Frank
O.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So,
okay. Amazing.
Upcoming artists, I'm all Ghana. My nyuma me go so me promote.
Okay. So, okay. Enti o genre be na wo.
Me high life Afrobeat.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see. Uhu youngster or ye high life I just say onim ni oh yeah. Yeah, because high life na no na you identify with Ghana. See na UNESCO listed. I intend to say a good thing. And what's the future like for you?
So we working hard too because it's a dream. It's my life. Music is a life that it chose me. So we're hoping that times goes on. Yebenya good record labels, good investments to come aboard and help us to
but who make good use of social media. This is how they only say one and grow on my TikTok near the idea.
Yes, I think that was one of the ways I made it share. Like Uncle Yemi producer.
Okay.
Uncle Fred James. I don't know a producer me. So
okay.
Me won't say only interaction.
Yeah, and I'll still.
And very,
yeah.
I'm so
that's
grateful,
great.
So mom sir.
Oh, I couldn't need it. Nyame dema. And you know, so what's the latest you have done? Or last release was when?
And only they me promoted is your container money.
Container money. Yeah. So what's the idea behind it? Where can we find it?
So Container Money is a party song. It's a vibe. I dropped it before the Easter. So now me and your mama me call for me listeners, the music lovers, Black Eyes fans.
I see.
Say
yeah, but any into Container Money.
Money way I define, plenty fish online. Connect and collect my guy. If I confuse the vibes,
Container money make up. BTC load and me the say bad boy we run that I dey hustle for my money. Plenty money. Nobody disturb me. Mama they call you Nancy. I dey hustle for my money. Plenty money. Nobody disturb me. Mama they call you Nancy. Money day, now make money day, make I feel happy.
Money day, I'm oh, but that's motivational, eh?
Yeah.
You're hustling for money. Into no one koye, baby, we a young man. Won't koye nyoma but you are using the right channel to make money. And I believe say nyanko pombe strasama. I see. So he fana ebenya nyomo.
So Container Money is all. It's out on all streaming platforms.
Okay.
Boomplay, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, and then it's on Audiomack as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I see. And see, looking forward to shows. Sana, are you ready for shows?
For now, I think the very last show I'm a boy. Gomoa Easter Carnival.
Oh, near Chemwe. Oh, wow.
I was on it. I performed.
Wow.
And then we're still looking forward to say being more shows in there.
That's amazing. And Black Eyes just say we see kwani so anisa because we nya honorable A+ platform next to koya and we see kwani so and one say we cotton. Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Anyway, any message for our listeners? They're listening to you.
I would say thanks to everybody listening to us right now. My name is Black Eyes GH, BLACK space ICE space GH on all streaming platforms. So be I say on check out my songs and then you thank me later.
I like that. And checking out the songs for all streaming platforms. So Edini a Black Eyes GH. Amazing. Now let me ask you, Edini fihi?
So black to say representing as an African.
Okay.
Because my color identify where I'm coming from as a black man. And ice near ICE like something which is cool.
Okay.
My boys they see me say this guy is a cool dude.
Oh yeah.
So I got that ice from that. So,
I see. Yeah. I see. But where do you hail from?
I'm from Gomoa Bamkrum. It's a small town under Aguna Swedru. So precisely I base in Swedru, I base in Tema.
Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah. And I said we'll go more roots in the mouth to me go more carnival.
I fall within that consistency.
Okay.
So
that's amazing. That's amazing. And keep pushing. Keep being consistent.
Thank you.
You will go far.
Thank you.
And no. We say one day not a BA.
Thank you.
It's an industry. Don't be discouraged in any way. Say we shows near there. Create something for yourself.
Thank you.
And I believe, with how you've started, definitely you go far. Sompa Delights, we wish you well.
Wow.
And we are praying that doors be amount. And our doors are open for you. Anytime when you release, be patch of fabra.
Thank you, like the day I'm in Okasa, now catch him say I should come on Monday. Then I'm in Okasa, and he was like, "Wow, this is a great move." I thank all the team. Thank you so much. Yeah. And I wish you Uncle Freddy so because why EP? If you are not quite so, I wish you know. Oh, okay. Why EP 5 songs are mommy for free?
Wow. Hey, Uncle Fred. So, patch of Black Eyes, that's you. Wow, amazing. I mean, Uncle Fred has done so much in the industry, so much. In Nyame, Ebeko Black Eyes. Yeah, that was to me by have the best of times going forward. When you're too nice, Sompa idea. Amen. Ebeye from Amawenti, all the very best.
All right, thank you.
Counter BTC load up medicine say bad boy run that and they hustle for my money, plenty money, nobody disturb me. Mama they call you Nancy, I they hustle for my money, plenty.
I say for me producer so. Now steps now you with Black Eyes in your name. Yay, oh, so that's Black Eyes for you. Please stream his song. Say any bit to me, yeah, dear Buam Ranti and the Mabawa a Sisono. I immediately say, and yom na a chaguno, a more ram, Ninsem no susu ye neat, and intina some party light. Yeah, Buam money into your shamo. Moon streaming on all platforms, online platforms now. Now, you follow on social media, Black Eyes GH. Yeah, one na only no chinebi ojina wa wetu mia bo esi ubuaka se meka huna abrantie onyini ye. Yeah, that must say, yeah, fa akwenye insuso ada Lexta Company Limited ase. Producers of Yas toothpaste and a Yas toothbrush. Also for hygienic, healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. Na oshishe product ibia market be bia ubenyebi makoleo domio ehifo kumasio be bia ubenyebi entine make sure say jibi now dey tru si na wo si aye kroji to say stretch ahoma I me se manka advert we Accra our telephone number is 050-161-9588 Ena Kumasi number ni 050-139-0338. Ainti shosho munafe jiwodie nafa chu sina enye se srichi ahoma. Mesha mo mi twa me ho aba. Menko bebia abedwafo atna sia nisa.
Sompa de la, sompa de la.
Yes, sciatica expert. Sciatica no, when nerves ne wo to ase na fa wo siremu, na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem, wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je no Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Wo mu je international awards ahodo, wo mu je local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim ha no, ebi ni ba bia je se 21st clinic nko. Woman dear bibidro and a besan ya no masa de machine aka ho eya sabia yare bia wutimi de kone mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eya sciatica and a stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran e ba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na e ba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na se 25 First Clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese we na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de entie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tena se no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na would dem
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoi na me me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum so a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfim me biem na wo hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me de hwimese enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne de ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham. Oh yes, Enukratrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, Abusian Chamfa.
Sawo Pedudu to a one crying ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited, and was 050 161 9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso abeboy
tontonte ya no nsane e fadwen ne fadwen ampa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeya aduru tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene esi na nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den tonti na 74 yin so ya ye no sensuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne dabia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden kwa woko pharmacy ana ba bia to nwo bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadi nkratwe atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankupon reyahon wat yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us Sompa First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Ayabra osro ni asasi hia. Ayabro Nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Ayadwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda no nyina share radens na erade beye.
Sompa FM.
Nyamia yewade ohini biara ni ho a oka ye nyame ho sofo me boana sofo me boa say ye wo nyame a yewade ana kana ye
nwa kra o ye wo nyame nti yewade nyina
Uncle Fred. Yes, Papa.
Oh, sorry.
Uncle Fred.
Abena Ruthy on your ruthless.
Annie. Hey, bars. Uncle Fred, they bars, pa. Easy.
Baba, root square.
And I don't know. Now me patch yam pomwe.
Oh, see, some 23. So radically the Lord is my shepherd.
I shall never want.
I'm you soon or can be dear. Oh, then be dear. But now I know be account. Uncle Fred. Eh, no show time pan or book as
hey, now book I need the easy.
I'm telling you, we have it.
Oh,
mammy, and I mean, Toby, pretty
wow.
And we are seeing any. And you call minute mammy arena. A co-op 1 or 2.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
People are sick.
Yeah.
Telling you.
Yeah.
So I did 2 1. Not what you come on. I'm not. Then she be card on Mondays.
Oh, I see. I be where want me opposite Hona. First, na fear and nay, dear, and say, oh, sorry, and upon which ya now say, So I did chill now in Yaria. Now what then, Yamia sing, yes, first, Nipo debia still locker. And a deep set Yaribia mo one man kawan to what as I said no and some wobo won kwa what just a one dinner danyamia say because I dear tuning qua dear there's hope. And see Uncle Fred that's near where I didn't pay us or best up Mama Yari. And I are for who now true munina never didn't casanchen I are san and call moso now munya and what ding. I na ye mum ye nera de ase Reverend Bibi Aboko
Edwada abetu yen subium eh my brother Fred Uncle Fred dai na ye wa hase ye baba som
yes Sompa Uncle Fred no ma buzz bi o say yes Sompa na den on the light to say visa. Anyway, we thank God for yet another day. NT for Abena for Ababedu, Reverend Aisen, and Uncle Fred at Nasi. Na and neno industry home komo and a yebedi. Last week, no, yes, started intellectual property rights. E hun komo efa adunkiki e de adunkiki story no na e de bata ho ne ade na me hu se points bebre wo ho ana empanyimfo e peso mo ka ye nya time anka nti e nene ye toaso ye toaso na yahwe another story bi so but mainly no intellectual property and na ye be ka ho asem enti Reverend Uncle why okay so Reverend
say yewa ha ma Ghana fo nyina no nti no na ye ka intellectual property a e wo se yetumi ka different ones wo ho ni nyina sane be ya obi wo ho so na se oye adwuma bi a esese otumi hu se ne right in terms of intellectual no obetumi asom yiye no we protecting no ebu hia pa said the last time ane ye kasa no ye kasa fa copyright musicians
okay
and the filmmakers near then ye to so can patent act who asem and ye to also ye can be fa trademark and also there wo and there were industrial design and a protection against unfair competition ni nyina wo na mepe se mekyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ etiefoɔ bɛte aseɛ yie.
Okay.
The first one na ɛyɛ copyright law no ɛno fa ɔnwa wɔn to nnwom.
Okay.
Ɔnwa wɔn yi sene anaasɛ ɔmo twa sene ɛna sermons te sɛ asɔfoɔ ye sermons a ye preaching ni ade any books ni ade ni nyinaa wɔ under that particular one. Na ɛno no ye ka say protection is automatic, and even though ye automatic no still e was so to me den ɛbɔ ho ban. Na wo bɔ ho ban wie a ye say nipa kon na wa bɔ ho ban no otumi ye reproduction.
Okay.
Ye ka say reproduction and actually say wutumi to aswa eye say eya power bi no watwa wutumi san twa power no the same thing biom etwaso and a distribution wutumi so ton.
Okay.
And that is about the copyright. And I will sound to me the year any public performance.
Oh, okay.
Not just a way to me abon buying. Now with a no sad nimpa airborne hobino a year for a lifetime and a 70 years after your life.
Okay, so
it's young fan as I me papa or yeah, you watch it. We are 24, 25 years in the year. Inti I can no 45 years and sana
I could do 70 no
and no it could do sana not just say this time around it is a public domain something everyone can use it after the 70 years.
Okay.
Okay. And a second one na ye can was a patent law na and no ye say what me edi wa adwene aye machine bi machine ni betumi aboa amansan.
Okay.
Inti eno no so e was so to me bon ho ban na sa machines yi wo ya e new na eboa dom no eno so ye for 20 years and our exclusive right. Inti yam fa ne say my machine bi a me di twa nsuo. First 20 years no metimi aye ho monopoly.
Okay.
But after 20 years no bi asu to me ye bi. Mpacho ni America no.
Inti no say no metiase no 20 years unlike copyright na no me free mu a 70 years sound no for patent de ne de.
For patent one no after 20 years obi to be ye.
Okay, so metiase you
okay. Wetimi aye hu monopoly we and ye wo trademark act. And also e wo ho ana trademark law. And no gina ho say wo ye wo brand bi inti e bi a Abena Ruthy ministry Fredima studio young fan say other works Bank of
Sompa
Ghana Sompa FM inti se si aye wa hey wo hwe wo wechi a utumi say logo fefefe bi wo ho obi obe use way without the permission of the station bia no station need to me eye ni bibi say ye logo eye slogan inti obi to me fa ma akotiapa no de ye ne dia Sompa to me sorry.
That is if say omo a trademark here.
Say omo trademark here kra na won't mean use eya say we trademark here won't mean use obi to mean use eya akotiapa biom.
Okay.
Mpacho ni America na say ko exactly won trademark here you dey bisa say one or sha say ni ye sha say ni ye ka say wo ye ye nko an de you are protected.
Okay.
Afi ye behwe to say last no me brother can say obi atwane another person ye behu metadata no nia oye ne de first na yetumi de akasa we eye we dia but ehwo hia say o say dey utumi bo ho ban na eno no the validity period no 10 years but after the 10 years no e was say renew when go renew obi tumi fa eyakotiapa.
Oh, I see.
But over Ghana, a lot of people have not renewed. Almost renew, and they still are using it because almost feel say they are protected into no almost using it. Into so person prevent person be used to there. And your koswa na they renew.
Okay, into every 10 years.
Every 10 years we are renew.
Okay.
And what industrial Design Act and no a product appearance. Young funny saying nsuo way the appearance AAC.
Okay.
You are protecting the appearance of the product. That is the shape of the product.
Yeah. Okay.
Into young funny say si ameba na se me koye we edinkra symbol bi na me to no edia na me patenti edina obi use sa symbol ni bia is at risk of me suing the person.
Okay.
because sa shape no abeye media. And we have seen say a lot of people, graphic designers, omo use shapes and media and but some of them are under permission.
Okay.
Because it is registered, but you have to acknowledge in no. And with the last one now, Unfair Competition Act no. And only you say we have false advertisement. Afa bibi hu. Me ye insure we and I say insure we me the chlorine 1 spoon de gum. Na say odifo ni me ye adwuma. Na say owia sa secret no. E de komo obi a. Eno so no emretia.
Okay. Okay.
Emretia. Inti megina ha ansa. Na me brother Didia so ansa na yato.
Uncle Fred. Intellectual property rights.
Yes, property rights.
Baby.
For instance. Emra na Ghana be ya na fa hodie. They towards a competition so obia and draw Ghana flag. Ema ma ko fit to those here.
Oko.
School I will go Presby Training College.
Ofani well, more history that.
And obey at the end. About the down second year or maybe irrespective rights they pick the idea. We every year be that's every day. It's so young sika at the we know how it is. What's our baby our coat of arms among Cote in a year. And also, I don't know how he's being compensated. And a flute, I think the man, the bay, we're very free, mamma.
Oh, yeah.
I know, sorry, defy all odds. Say, boom, by what's your coat to go and call a have a day, go friend.
A friend to my coach now, profits.
In the flute, will be okay. So, and you might use in our computer one. Especially lady music. You do not know samples in if you have.
Yeah.
I
see.
Because somebody group don't know.
Only
there was samples that my it is said your man said Reverend Kayan. And when you might say a bomb to me. Now Ben Fibane 90.
Okay.
Now quite a trouble to be a folklore board.
Yeah. Yeah.
The folklore board, then idea and say. If you share a dear my Ghana Japadi among far. Now it could be a very stock exchange Ghana. We are no use at the class symbols no empty and full.
Yeah.
Through ye in your coy, the asem ko 3 days go for you say. Say symbols we know. Say we free or my Ghana. South Africa. Your might be how many paintings we don't use particular colors, bright colors, green, white, and only and I didn't know paintings, abstract paintings.
Okay.
It's we share Toman on two comb one, South Africa. And the young painted the old chrome hall. Quite said they kete.
Oh, okay.
Ghana, dear.
Yeah.
UNESCO plus says,
that's right.
The Crobia Kete, Ghana, I recognize it. They are the originators.
And
I'm free. It is any money in an idea, say, born by ya. We are some part. For sign, none of the research. Which is some baby or man be away. I did differ the frequency.
Yeah, yeah.
But do we are some panic in here?
Yeah.
As an idea, some bar Accra.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And I say, the other town. Thinking I am one dear way. The moment she was out in tuning. She can't even have no patent. Obi aba to me aba used to be.
Yeah.
But o call baby no be use any maybe anything but ko na bi o.
Bet me.
I say timbo hu money na say technology aba no obaba e dey for you to protect it for you. Because you know tree. Obi take new town baby to o twa ni magum.
O twa ni magum.
I don't think a sika for instance. Your boy de mercury ni adade ni.
E hihye mo no. Yeah, invisible baby no.
The counterfeit in your chakra and everything.
Yeah, bet
it's very, very difficult to monitor people's the painted is so weird and what do you call it? Lances and Amazon highway. They'll investigate.
Okay.
Traffic light they use black bar and that is South of America. Yes. Up to now, and then you replicate it be anyway. Don't say inventions in Moha. We should already be a bar or my we are say a friend Albert Einstein.
Yeah.
He equals MC square.
Yeah.
Say you know the two or and then o camera ya ehwe they vote by you omo ye nyina na what develop afa ho second yi fufuo yi na ke you want to put yi wardrobe and we say ah so just fufuo be fufuo just applying pressure So na blend the but we run the blender
for the machine
it's almost no more UST now almost invented before be my year oh we say pestle no you know woman
okay
oh yes they be still but it was a simple technology say bunch cra go tell you again obomodi na ye na start be e dey be ya which be your phone we all people pretend you know you go who do be brave it will be no copyright laws ni e adwuma and idea obi a betumi abo na yehun ban ya e go fan say be brave because no two things are the same.
Yeah.
So if you need industrial line and grandma, so teacher I said another mechanic say more classroom. A teacher can just try is but myself market scheme need our area, but how it starts in India will be
very different.
By the end of the day, we arrive at the same result. Yes, we do. Oh, Bedell for the or Lemnova for the or Sonny. They say it works on the same principle. To be an India account, we are 70 inches. On one very flat, we are 90. Every 50, but the original person or your television.
Okay.
Bell no money, you know, almost processing one. Yeah. I'm for their phone. Valves.
Okay.
It is microchips in the
yeah.
It me a can I go for a cool view?
Ayo, astronauts.
Not 49,000 miles. That's a 1 million kilometers.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow. 10 days.
Yeah. As I say, it's a simple.
Hey. Never be brave. Oh my God, and I Professor Alote.
Okay.
Alote constant. What they calculate?
Yeah.
I mean, who physics? So no one has Obama or Koyeno.
Oba, University of Ghana. Okay.
However, so yet of an aeronautic space.
Yeah.
Alote constant, you know. I bet they year. A
daho man
for the system here, you are. We are used to say constant in India,
it was so on your home first. So, I see. Oh, fire, that's the Reverend. Auntie. So, as a person on the street, you know, how should this apply to me? Me, Dana, intellectual property rights, no, me taking it serious. Me, I'm a nama bond, like me, you know, minim book crap. How can you break this down for me to understand? Say, adia me ye was me bomb buying.
Enunti na ye shia adi because at the end of the day, no, education and a beboa.
Okay.
Ye won crofo a omwo kwan ho. Ohwe yenhwe even coal pot. Ebinum to me ye in a particular way any ade. But omu nim se na wo se omo bo ho ban. Into na company bia owo sika afaso na ne anka ye onwo dia no won ahwere into there's a need say obia wo ye bibia ubebisem we bisasa ade a me ye eden na metumi aye ne maye den me dia bo ho ban. Now when you do that na ebeboa wo
ebia na me no obi kodi hu nko wona wa fe. Anyway, so me bisasa question don against the backdrop say meaning say copyright your office there internet is it that omo education and copper painting na yenya sa issue say by Erike obi afo obi nyum obi afa say na how do we find it?
Responsibility.
Okay.
Onya adisua sade we because o hwe etua yeah na nanom na okwa o sim pampro o ma sense na on okwa nwura mo sese na tai offense let's say ebi ni ho but no mo we dey bi nwura mu a abrofo no ba ha earlier stages no be hu how o press it trigger no a etimi ekọ na ekọ ene agyan arrow so stretching one ninya e fix stretching na ekọ no a bi no mo ko fa dey yes dey man but at that time no na institutions na be say na my register any bi ni ha say the acquire inventions be buy bia no ya yin say ni free
wow
no one buy
na amanfo enim de no ba be fa ko ho
na baba be o dia mi wa so do aha so free e buy Wow. But yeah, air conditioners obey you as well. Oba. Bibini ban or air conditioners.
Wow.
She look at the recycling of air. So to her, dinner, you are the insurance. I say, you saw honey to be hanging you. It's a vapor. The hitian, a qua, a condensed and no one been on the way. Say, about 3 heat in our Hanaba. No, you know, I recycle coolants as I send it back to some other gases. I share chemistry, they can now account. Very simple strategy, but as house to do, so can you window board of the same.
Yeah. Hey, interesting. You know,
I like evolution. It's a build up.
Yeah.
It's a build up.
Yeah.
We share the aeroplane. And the paraglide, you know, we are the same concept. But aeroplane, no other than your engineer. Constant. So whereby any who are from any who be you know the engine can okay. Bear in the engine here and it me a gravity. Ediaco. Now young one South America for play can say that the plan bear 10 issue. Then you want to crack it. There was the man the force of gravity. It me which one? At any time, be an obi BB in terms of invention, never be on. Wow. So, you know, a mama for money, say, and I'm there about to 2% wrong.
Okay.
Also, sometimes, you know, so who trust in say, you can want me trusting in.
Yeah.
A rehearsal can be a good take.
Yeah.
All inventions came out of experiment. Me allow me the way come to the count, you know them down. It's in a light. No, all the chemistry count or the element to be a count. Yeah, I know I didn't also. It's who process or the firm. And yes, I got process like a bad day. You will be so at any time, you as a scientist, now answer be all we are now. Copyright the name out here. It's all touch or two of my. See, a money catch was said. Sandy, you want to hear the first year. There was a one I want to put out the original copyright. And I know once every buyer. I don't think the MZ and so. But what if we near? I feel like you know. Tell me about what's saying.
I know who is a crowd.
If you are saying Sompa,
yeah.
Wow.
I mean, anything I say about Casa and Semi as I mean, as you were saying, we all Casanona, Oka say air condition, they share a window, Namakai, and new master, you know, so many things have changed.
Can you windows there jealousy?
Jealousy, their way.
Gathering of fecal materials. They were IFE. Don't want to win next. You were not suffering for them, and then got a senior wife that didn't all this a on by I'm from the moon say, and Germans, my battery moon said, our weather no. They do hard, weather near very cold. Into almost we do this in such a way, say, when the cold temperatures about a realm, very common. Say a hot on swap, and also a carbon monoxide now, who are them, maybe from Musu, their farmer. They're very simple, but they don't be. Yeah, the glass, Yana Kate fee. It's
Yenya from
I like them. So I said, the last time some said, not only then no free dinner that they didn't be called.
Yeah,
how are they living? But they really because the environment, you know,
was favorable.
And see, are we losing? I mean, we're in your copywriters, but IP, me put the question I'm maybe some making.
Now, no, push your mom cool space, so we try to buy it. Who said Africa air call?
Yeah.
What did I tell you?
Of a can I enter near old team of us?
Say, I know you are going to see.
It is a green NASA. So then as someone they want me to make an and say, are we losing existence need to evolution and because new man air cost on say new man work it is a cool I am okay near the summary and Nancy would the ensure go and you must see them and has a be cool am I hear the bedjar until we are losing, our environment, not to some of these things. And then green, then campaign near there, no. So I think we should revisit it and all. Anyway. I think some of my extensive copyright education into no near catch it here for an say. Winim asisi a winim ade biara wesusu ho wa planning wa ye na Mr. Bomodia na bo ho ban na copyright office wo ho wo hwehwe mu a obehu mu nti no Bomodia na ko ho na ne bo intellectual property ho ban because ye wodia e na benefit wo nko a o wunchima because na ye ken say ufiri mu kra say ye nwoma 70 years wo ho ansa na ebetumi ya public domain song enti me patro ma yenyere ye ho na yenye adwuma ne sane etie me yema ka me hunu Mr. Boatin whatever or ye to protect na ni but ye be hwehwe abeka because really senka bibi sa wo ho a enka some of these things will not happen nka obi de ne sa ka enka emra ne be che no yes
education ebetumi aba say bibi sa wo ho nanso ebusuafo no enim what in America na say because o kofa obi dwomo a enkrofo mienu na obetumi ebisa permission na free on ho
okay
nimpa otro onyom no ana say publisher no nimpa publisher onyom no these two people can do it because nimpa all publishing onyom no onim procedures a obe follow a say or the unya free omo ho still ebeko
beba ne ho
exactly into no sano Emma emra kwan no eye adwuma but because I am follow up enunti ne ye bibia because in the first place no also who say we are dwumtuni na so okoto obi nyum kra na you need the license and a license no you with different types of permission mpacho ni America no you have permission ni bebre ni di kan kra mechanical permission now mechanical no ye carry any license no for recording ni ade into what for bi nyum no also nya that mechanical license no na wo de eye wedwuma and I say wo koye video e fa ni pakon no so nyum no ho a eno so no wo hia synchronization license e betimi ama ye hu say wo say a video the video no e different from enyum that one has visuals into you say to me synchronize it na nia eya nyom na ewo ho no etumi ka say we we dia and there was performance license kwa akoto nyom na we one of the things I am musicians in ye na da you could not stage
menya gig afi na me ko frɛ I sell avasi la ga chese
ko ko ntu o man kasa ponyom we nya gig obekwa akoto Tego sisters nyom what to reverend yourself nyom without permission but you see so omo ka say omo buy en so a
strictly
ka debia nke ye ho be kire it's you see who say even with performance we need license wo be friend pa ko ka say minia ba me kwa akoto nyom wo ebi a sa asori we anase we me pese meto nyom ba ko we mitumi to ana because so kwa
just go to the register you log it down.
Log it.
Minutes.
Good.
Me to wait 1 minute. Wait
45. And I'm pro way. You am 2 years. Since I'm about now. At the end of the month, cook out from where you are the call. Yeah, take obia and your banner. It is carried amount, but
me kai me experiment bi. Me fa radio station back home. And I'm a CSL almost bonum be anama loggy. So I recorded. And you mean you know abono. At the end of the day, oko copyright and for na album when you monocrano. It wasn't there.
Wow. Someone can register
your system no a problem in terms of yanka say ye nima DNA so. And then ye nipa no right protector no obeka say every time you be say sika e dey education. I was say yes. Exactly.
A two-way thing anyway. Inti na ye wa hey na mo church ya mama mfo asua inti ene when you be atu koto dwema mpacho fa ye dwuma natural obi subi ai wuchire obi no na de awasua no na eye mo because obe kai anyway I mean I love the conversation on IP. We have another story I want us to look at.
Right.
just before then, there was a point you raised, the fact that ye kojina stage ane atun kofo ne ade when notice say secular for na ya intense is about gospel na ya esipa
and America say ye victims
gospel for na ya because secular they hardly so who say obi akojina stage na otu obi nyom ono kono ko pushing
I'm no call with you so manya.
Yes, sir.
And you ma otu na me hu say wo to nyom ba.
Me say gospel for dodo
and so what was beautiful songs and ka obetumi ato and me did say your point na e bia ya ma won kakra wa kakra but then you ma otu ye ni nyina me so bia it's just an example now for fun. It's just for fun.
Oh yes but you see we do it a lot.
Yeah.
And the education should go down well because of uncle can you say education institutions in Juma and can you me to nyom no my belog says my becca say you know this is what I did blah blah but because enshdanko ye no
one will say in copyright and kasano in ki what tribunal.
Aha.
There's a tribunal for copyright.
That's right.
And how na enye Juma no.
Yeah.
In competimi aba Sompa. No more be share logbook mu say.
Yeah.
And then you because most of the nyom no DJs ne bono they don't log them because payola. Mpacho what in the American say. And only yan kwan chen. It say station ni hu no mu ye ni ye obe say revenue no crabeba station no e ma omu so etimi etua copyright ni ade. But most of the sika nke ba station no efa back door.
In the sun, a cost or other places.
Exactly.
Because me soon pay me. Anyway, education never cost so and we'll keep touching on it. We need to educate our people. Na bibia omobia no making sure say protect it rights. Na it to me abam faso amu. Yentu nko ye next story. Na and also so ya there na me hunu say hu here. So NFA. The last time I think we were here and Adjoa Razy used to be say NFA for so and you know because I had said musica. I pensions near there and so NFA making movie and I think it's good and see me see discuss it. Now almost see they are on a mission to recover cinema and for other things other than the purpose of the Uncle Fred.
Okay, so if I call back to the relics of time, Ghana cried then about phone about 1953. The British government, they threw God in Gettysburg in who said development be to spread across the country. To do they use cinema as a point. Say we can't outside broadcast vans. That's why he established the present day TV3 Ghana.
Yeah.
Ghana in go cinema in our na from cinema to Ghana first from the act here at the go celluloid so they afraid the boy Kumasin.
Oh yeah.
And Sana and answer why by I told you so.
Okay.
And Sana in 1976. Be a Genesis chapter X, no, everybody and every do the present day. And film culture, young in you. All the film cinema halls in Yahweh owned by Lebanese and Syrians.
Oh, private.
Yes, and sometimes Indians. To cook once and Ankani cinema.
Yeah.
They were owning any cinema start of Rex, Rex, Rivoli, Royal.
Okay.
And about more certain places. And the cinema culture, one of the first boss because at that time air conditioners. And as industrial and maybe each other was out. It almost windows which you so fun. The heat. And projectors are now on the generating heat.
Okay.
Because the celluloid and air wine bottle the air all of them are generating heat. It's most of the cinema house on a so
open air. Okay.
So cook once here. Cinema is a Rex cinema. Or for your revolution on the market on there because now as a more sucking on you are a sucking
heat no okay
any free or ever and I'm celluloid buy now if you look at all the places here almost center of almost center you know that's where the people were living now if you come to Accra the distance from Circle to Pokwase maybe I'm you know 16.7 kilometers so to that north Accra has moved to the east agree and no but almost 30 kilometers in the other day. What did you put now, if you go to rescue my Accra, baby, and aircraft cabin chroma, you know, that was the beacon of a Yadaman photo. The farthest place here. Those days, we went to buy a tomato. If you had to what they buy, you know, the same in some cinema hall, Accra, I did only technology, Netflix, AEB. Also a year DSTV today be part of come say construction of road here every by cinema quarter near cano I'm a person here there be be nan tie free ho I be track ticket Uber in and out maybe I say me can me some e dey ba Uber nko a consume about 506 kibaba be to my popcorn be to my
ticket this can buy
no asa be tram and to asa ayo and then project for small a crowd no but 8K 8K no but number say me chow crowd cinema
wow so
cinema culture no yeah me to me almost say yeah as an exhibition point
okay
but say any pass omo ko
akotena holiday
environment people want a cozy place like Accra Mall if where you can shop because when you get to air conditioning is very good seat out it is advocacy very good but almost very yes I be misplaced priority I say about I say ABB Baba no say Juma don't me very very good maybe I can say if you are na me team a na me studio or Circle said than any first na or charge for Dr. Kwame come from Bujiba
wow
yes
into where they we say nke bibi e was say historical tourism
so the same thing Accra Rec Cinema and kwa na about kwa enim ekwankwa na ye so face ni so they know celluloid they don't know even so piano kwa e kra no omo beto ye no everything is digital chip what the same na record so you have all places so all those places can be a place of visitation
okay
you can summon for this way the way
museum
that's it and I'm sorry for you to hear the place and with the area Juma so that is very direction in my heart what you say if we get the phone and can sit in the abu every at water about time for her air call and found corner and the idea no of our call Kwabenya Pokwasi Ablekuma around that center is a young
one creative so
the distance okay. At 5 kilometers because those are the cinema not even until free adabakako so how do I come from East Legon if you be a rec cinema and say oh come anajo sinini so no the way omoye no na anajo nkwa no wi
anajo
because it mean to be for camera no me wi a akwabrane e di to ba be TV so asa be give mobile phone account all those people that were watching the action film they said Chinese for Bubusri or
Jackie Chan
was 72 years why or him for
Chuck Norris on the way film
so all those heroes now quite say the children of the day no baby say heroes to be on the AI generated kind of thing idea is very very good but environment you know you can say by then but a show of in your DB. Someone here they will go and do those kind of things. Now bye
yeah.
It's cinema culture it's dwindling.
Okay.
Because we check it, okay, we come about 500 and it's a bit DST. Now we are month for free Mumbai. Say from no come give you 10 years later.
10 years later.
Ampo.
Because
yeah.
Very interesting. You know, I was glued watching it live. So the baby ever top form.
That's right.
It is cinema culture has changed. Now with my mobile phone, me and Kasama
YouTube.
But your popcorn be so change. Now we keep up, we be. No, I can't.
I'm I'm a you. Not just say it's so similar culture. It yeah, especially a die.
Assistant. Assistant there was say yes, sign adwene fa ho no.
So that's why I always say yes, cinema nafa betua.
Okay.
Because the you know I just pick this up when I'm going to cover you crowd. Make me a tea phone no. Make me a tea conversation.
Okay.
What's going? Things have changed. It's almost over here. They are being a part their shoulders. They are ready. We see.
Right.
Reverend.
Say, Nkameka say, Omo ya de padie. But there are a lot of questions to ask. Oh, Ghana way industry in terms of movie industry, any cinema halls now. Now the first Ghanaian or Shasia say onosu yi sinin ibino, he was a Gold Coast merchant. Your friend Ahuma Okansi. Okansi. Yes.
Related to Daddy
Bosco. I related to Daddy Bosco. Or not or starting sini first. I will tip to her. I'm say baby now shop on one side.
Historians.
Yeah. A hot side. Orion hot side. A hot side no or starting Palladium.
And railway station Pata.
Exactly. Yeah. Can say a lot of movie houses, but after Owuno, the question I may be Ghana films for say and film industry say we should know say AOB property. Nebusia for AJ property now. They have the right to use it for another purpose. That is say a honey register no for cinema there. Then we can look at it. But let me give you a perfect example. Uko Collegono. Nanka cinema hall bi wo ho sesia a lighthouse. Oko Plaza Mamprobi. There was a cinema hall there sesia bank bi ato. Kaneshi market we. Inti utumi we say they were individual properties.
Okay.
Inti no so omo ka say omo person omo renovate there. And as omo back to those things there, then we have to look at that particular structure. Say, individual be there. Is the person ready to use that place? And most of the places now, no, residential places. Into looking at it, no, a very difficult, kakra. But thanks be to God, say we still have few cinema halls. Because of advertisement sake. Running will come and also echo ye. But I feel say some person more dear. Almost proximity to send your brother can ye. Yeah. Domi Quabinya near Peba Quisi. Dan so man probi near Peba Cubiesi. But it is expensive to run that particular. Exactly. Then Yanasadia me feels a culture of music culture, cinema culture, no. Ebekosi. Yeah.
I think some waka bebrina, and I agree.
Very expensive to run.
Very expensive.
Exactly.
Energy so but then no food be got play muso says play cinema hall I can as all
Uncle. Na amphitheater.
I want to say inka ebetumi ato aso na nienti a amananye attractive no. Washrooms na nye good. Ukọ wa obi
nsempi
ekoso any attractive view into me nko because of niameku hu hoda.
Anyway, so the collective is that yes, it's a good move, but omunhwe ni ye omunhwe nsanhwe biom, and because cinema culture no assessing no omunhwe, I think I buy into the idea say Yefanye exhibition center na bibi, and then we should be careful say property no individual there na say ya umbetumi di omunsaka, because at the end of the day
now obi private property o de koye exhibition center o ye ne say
asenti na also omuhwehwe akire no omuhumu no also omuhwehwe akire no munti NFA some private for it's a good move, but you need to really analyze it. And sana, it's not just the fact that you want to achieve something, so you want to do this, but munsheni ye say ebetumi ato akoso na abamfaso amobia na, because the cinema dey see way phone so
because that's how you create the average. We kind of 1976. 1970 for me my friend Five Shaolin Masters.
Yeah, Chinese film.
That Chan Alexander Fushen. And one we fight. But see, sister, you're 12. to America buy.
Okay.
Then 1988, I'm Ghana 89. Ghana phones.
Okay.
Afrikiko, the Ghana French embassy for. Lane choir.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, you know, we are 12. 3:30.
3:30.
Yeah, you bet 8 times a day.
Sana no cinema too. I remember.
They are cut away.
Also, I pay liar. This is Ghana.
But I need anybody phone, so I know she near master science. Was yes, yes, best son, you better near who a technology share. I think that is it. I am so grateful. Mama, your in-depth knowledge. Now there's a question here. Oh, people so who say I say DJ I'm on your be promote. Yeah, cause a DJ for Bonum ne BJ Pioneer they are quick one.
All right, Intino say DJ Ambonyumwa. In the first place, one say every station is supposed to have a library. Sompa. Oko GBC, whatever it is, library, music library, and a video library. Inti I was so making sure say when studio in the library. You should be able to walk to every radio station. There are two ways of promoting. What call library and now say who ko triaka nearby mouth.
Okay.
And yes, sir, any other thing be a payola. What am I say? Inti also the call station now kase who be jawonyum for library. Say na bomb pie say DJB companion na. Say see Accra because of technology and you know our pen drive don't they still can upload it in their library files. Send a DJB chance on it. And we need to also promote our songs online. Most of the times, wo say a kuye online nanko 4 pair DJs nankasa kuchisi.
Okay, that's true. Uncle Fred, who will be the best also?
Yes. How about radio station here? The person who is the producer of the show.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Ruthy, who do you remember about India Opebio? Who they present? Very now. So I'm playing the song according to program.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this
more presenters what the producers so they come and they don't have a.
Me fashion a rich bit my don't know bonyum never me why.
One or two are all bonyum.
But the Shaman.
It's a Boba. And then so in Yansan I'm on my almost all the DJs were silent those days.
Yeah.
Everyone will do 2 radio stations.
I feel my associations near there.
Among Casa near the idea. I was say Mom Casa because
that's all my brache.
Definitely the first show of the common partner. Because the radio station is a private station.
Yeah.
You pay your bills.
Yeah.
Yeah. Social media.
being working.
You don't even have no internet no day.
Yeah.
Only 2 brokers stations.
Yeah.
To freedom of Ghana, I nyamiansi.
And also so na ama ye promotion ya de ne boy dey because adoso proliferation
na ma dey say mom na nka wo se nka wotumi ye select ebia me Sompa Accra Sompa Kumasi me pese me bo other stations because ye was Sompa senior be at least
to select Accra now we focus it anyway, so that's an advice to Omomu producer Omonyom ne Omomu business adie enti. I want to thank you Reverend Reverend Yosin ya Reverend Adie Isen maybe I will be a child.
Assuming they're supposing that there's going to be an examination test. The first one question is composed by 4. Every wrong mistake will be cross-cancelled. I'm beginning and start. Yeah, okay.
And therefore we are beginning and start. Uncle Fred, thank you so much. Yadamosene more inputs. Then bia yenemutsnasia mu do subject ni musuko ema yenya somfa so mjidi se tiefo ati bebre ne ainti sompa delight. Yadamose say Mobile. Hey, remember you supposed to cast Sompa?
And now me person me kebi.
Me pa talk ani
ko. Because say ya odi for pen or ya champion.
Hey, to the
Sompa delight.
Kaka krevi. For enti ya kramo ya damase samo jebre enti yen me de asida pudo emma major manager antia kosia ago about communication. Nafe me producer OD4 Jeremiah Yami unsure or see producer one international producer me jitum na me DJ Rich Bitmice Yami sure until no selecting you no boy you afe omo de to abefun tintankes yeso center Augustine brand no Jini birthday last Friday no I was saying busa nse party na course say ena prophetess if you prophetess is every day to so upo jelan na ya na mi hu boye o se misia ai enti me da mama afro so ase o de konkon